Excuse me, anybody down for a private clash? Click the link to join. Let me know in chat so I will start the clash if you join the clash. Otherwise, the torture. You have to watch me work on my video game. So if it gets the ship velocity, why don't we just... rotation velocity. Hello, I'm new here. Hey Ghost, thanks for the follow. It looks like you followed me 9 days ago. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. And how are you? Would you like to do a private clash? Or would you like the torture of watching me make my video game? And what brings you to the channel? Are you a coder? Did we talk before and I forgot everything? I started a new job, so I may have forgotten everything and I apologize. Ship velocity. So... oh, so that does get updated. So we can go in here. So location plus anomaly velocity. SP anom I dot SP val. Oh, okay. So I think what I do with these guys is it's init data. No, it's not there. It's based on the size. Yeah, so it's like proportional to the size, the amount. Okay, so let me do that. Let me do that. Plus, okay, so let's go like this. Well, there's all of them. Update data, build rotation matrix, rotation velocity. This is update data? Yeah, okay, so update data. So let's go here. I'll see if this will work. Comment that out. Or wait, I'll leave that in. So let's go SP anom, anomaly, SP vel, okay, is equal to, isn't that a vector 2? Vector 2, so let's go. Did you join and not tell me? You didn't, oh, and nobody's joining, alright. We can do one of those later if somebody wants to, that's cool. No pressure, I did one and I knocked it out. Okay. So let's just change the velocity equal to that. And then we'll multiply by SP anom 1 dot size. How do we do? Excuse me. I just had to yawn. Rotation matrix. Where is the radius? Position temp V times that plus location. Temp V. What's temp V, Jeff? Super dup times rotation matrix. Super dup times... oh. Well, for now, let's just try that. So each frame, it's going to set that equal to the ship thing for the... okay. But then when I do it for the BK parts, it's times the size of the part divided by 120. Well, let's see. They might go crazy. Let's see what happens. Let's just see. Okay. And I don't see them on the screen. It looks like they went crazy because I don't see them on the screen. Oh, there they are. What are you guys doing? See, they're moving too fast. Beautiful, but moving too fast. So let's do, what was the division for the BK parts? Divide by 120. So if the size for the BK parts, actually let's look at that. What size do I initialize them to? I know I'm doing quickie videos, but I really am taking my time on some of this stuff. Okay, so the size is 12 to 22, okay? So it's 12 divided by 120. That is... Huh. Times 0.1. Can we do that? Would that look better? Let's see. Let's see. Now we're looking at the super shapes. Okay. Hey, that looks better. They're moving the wrong way. No, wait, that's a planet. Okay. The super shapes are moving the wrong way. They're... So maybe we need to subtract the velocity. There we go. And also, what are these doing? Are they wrapping if x is greater than that or x is less than that? What is Clash of Code? Clash of Code, I'm glad you asked me that. Practice your coding skills on short coding contests. The Clash of Code is one of the contests. There are practice contests, but this one is a 5-minute coding battle. It's actually 15 minutes. And if you want, we can start one like this. If you want to join in, just click on the link. If you join in, I will follow you. Actually, you gotta let me know because this one's not private. So, but then I just click launch, and then it launches into a test. It's all in browser compiling. And what happens is you have the puzzle over here, and it gives you sample input and output. These are the different tests. For example, the first test there is AA, BB, BB, whatever this is. Given the number of letters, couples of the input sequence. Give the number of letters, couples of the input sequence. We count one couple every 2 occurrences of the same letter regardless of the case or position. Okay, string sense the number of letters, and then it outputs. So in this case, this was the code that got compiled. It only outputs, because it's an example they give you to start coding, couples numbers, so that's the wrong answer. In this case of test 1, which is identical to the sample. And it's expecting 3, but it says couples numbers, so that's wrong. That's a pretty interesting problem. Sometimes I do them, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I start them and then I just like, I don't want to do it. But it's always fun to think about. So velocity. So let's wrap these around. Let's not change the velocity. And I should probably go like this since I'm changing stuff up. Let's just go to 3. 3 already exists. So let's go to 4. And 4. Oh, okay, I got it. It's really cool. The whole website is cool. I learned a few new programming languages with that recently, so I highly recommend taking a look if you're at all interested. Another thing I can show you real quick is right here. You can pull down and it lets you start with any programming language that's listed here. There's like 30 of them. And it's crazy, like C. This is C#. And then you can choose like stuff I've never heard of, Kotlin, you know. It's really cool. And there's a whole community. You can get involved with it, and you can see that other people do it, right? So you can see as they've completed their challenges, they get Oh, they have the option to share their code. This one didn't share his code. Oh wait, he did share his code. So then you can look at what he did. This is his winning code. He got 100%. And he used PHP, which is crazy. But there's some amazing coders out there. And I love that site. And there's other sites like it, but I like that one. So, okay, so we're in 4. We changed it to 4, so let's go like this. Wait, I wanted to cut out this one. So let's just change the location. Times equals -1. There we go. You know the page called Omega Up or something like that? I do not. That sounds interesting. What is that one about? So this should do the wrapping. Okay, so the super shapes now. They're moving a little bit slower, but yeah. Let's see where the green and the brown one and the purple one end up. There goes the green one. They do have to go off the screen a ways before they are. See, I don't see them coming back, but they're still off the screen away. There's the green one. Okay, so it did work. It does wrap them. Okay, cool. It's the same, but you don't have competition. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, the coding game is really nice. You can actually, after the competition, like the 15 minutes, there is a way to pull up the particular puzzle that you're on and do it just yourself for unlimited time, but I've got it filed away on some text file on my computer. I'll have to find it one of these days, but I think this might be all I want to do. I'm not really that interested in doing a lot tonight, so I just got the super shapes. They move a little bit slow, so maybe we could go a little faster and go times 0.3. So that'll be a couple times faster. There we go. There we go. Okay, so that works pretty good. I was going to put in the projectiles and maybe fire at some of the asteroids, and then I could build what do you call it? A bounding, excuse me, a bounding rectangle around these, and then I can just check the bounding rectangle, and then if it makes a hit on one, then I could check which particular one was hit, and then do some, and then I could do a damage shader or do some kind of a rotation or something, and then get them all firing out in all different directions if they get destroyed. But I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to call it for tonight. It's only 20 minutes. I just wanted to do quickie videos so I can export them to YouTube. Thanks everybody for tuning in, for watching. Nice to meet you, Ghost. I'm going to try to do this every night about the same time, so tune in, and maybe eventually I'll do a little bit more. But right now I'm tired and I want to fix some food because I worked all day. So let's see. I'm just going to end the stream. Thanks again. Nice to meet you.